Today I'm going to be reviewing this beautiful engagement ring by the brand Silver Nana. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, the ring comes in a beautiful box, perfect for gifting. So let me go ahead and open it up, show you what it looks like. So first and foremost, you will receive a certificate of the jewelry product. So it gives you the shape, which is an oval shape, sterling silver 925, and then also the stone, which is 1.5 Oval-Cut Moissanite. It also has a serial number, so it identifies the ring itself. Now inside of the box, you will find your ring, and you will also find a little cloth to go ahead and clean your ring. Now if you are gifting this to someone, preferably I would recommend taking it out of the package. Now this ring is available from sizes 4 all the way up to 10, so just ensure that you know the sizing of the person that you are gifting it to. So here I have the beautiful ring. This ring is available in many styles. It's available in the silver color and also in the gold color, but take a look at how beautifully detailed this ring is. It is nice, shiny. Look at that beautiful side profile of the ring. It is a nice oval cut ring. This is such a nice ring. As you can see, I got it for my size, but it is so beautiful. Definitely nice and dainty. I love the way that the ring just glimmers. So this is perfect for an engagement ring, or even if you want an additional ring, if maybe you don't want to wear your precious ring out, this is perfect to have, because look at how beautiful the ring looks. And like I mentioned, it is available in gold and in the silver color. It is an 18 karat gold plated ring, but it is so beautiful. Look at how nice the ring looks. As you could see, so nice. So if you've been looking for an engagement ring, or maybe you just want to go ahead and get an additional ring for yourself as a replacement, then definitely check this ring out. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love the cut, the style. It looks so luxurious. Then I'll link it down for you so you could check it out for yourself. Take a look at the variety of styles and cuts they have available. And also, if you're not already, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.